Today, let me share the story of Ruth and Boaz, a love story, yes, but so much more than romance. It's about faithfulness, redemption, and what happens when we align our lives with God's purpose. Ruth was a Moabite, a widow, an outsider. She had every reason to walk away from Naomi and start over, but instead she said, "Where you go, I will go. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God." Ruth 1:16. That one decision changed everything. She didn't chase after a man, she chased after integrity. She worked in the fields. She stayed humble. She honored Naomi. And in due time, Boaz noticed not just her beauty, but her heart, her work ethic, her kindness. Boaz, a man of character, didn't play games. He protected her, provided for her, and pursued her in the right way. He was a kinsman redeemer, a picture of Christ, stepping in to restore and elevate Ruth. Their union brought forth a son, and that son became the grandfather of King David. Yes, Ruth, a foreign widow, became part of the lineage of Jesus. What does that mean for us today? God honors loyalty and obedience. Even when life seems unfair, even when you've lost everything, God can still rewrite your story. There is blessing in the waiting. Ruth didn't chase love, she pursued purpose, and love found her on the way. Boaz represents how God pursues us. He covers us, protects us, redeems us, and invites us into a story far greater than our past. So if you've ever felt unseen, unworthy, or unsure of your future, remember Ruth. God is not done with your story. He has a Boaz moment waiting, where what you've lost is restored and your faithfulness is rewarded. Keep showing up, keep honoring God, because like Ruth, you are being positioned for a purpose much bigger than you can imagine. So if you've ever felt unseen, unworthy, or unsure of your future, remember Ruth. God is not done with your story. He has a Boaz moment waiting, where what you've lost is restored and your faithfulness is rewarded. And remember this promise: no good thing will he withhold from those who walk uprightly. Psalm 84:11. Stay faithful, stay hopeful. Your Redeemer sees you.